Diamond Locker Security are proud to be associated with the Master Locksmiths Association of Australasia. What does this mean to you as a customer? It means that you have integrity, loyalty and commitment from a high standard of service from a professional qualified locksmith who you can trust in your home or your business. To be a member of the Master Locksmiths Association isn't just a piece of paper. You actually have requirements. There is a bar that is met and it's a high standard of industry service that you need to meet. So you can be assured that if you're dealing with a master locksmith, you're dealing with someone that has that high profile and commitment.